So XRP, SUI, and Solana, will these be the top altcoin picks to recover? Right now, we're witnessing a nice market recovery today. We needed it, guys. We absolutely needed it. Bitcoin was right on the cusp of breaking a big support line, which would have created a cascade effect. A lot of people were worried about it yesterday, and I was watching it closely, but I had a feeling we would bounce. So far, so good. We'll take a look at that too. Actually, we'll jump into that right now because Bitcoin just crossed back up over 95,000. That's exactly what we needed to see. Otherwise, we were probably going to dial back into the $83,000, $84,000 range. At least that was our next line of support, but we did hold up pretty nicely. Take a look at some of the top plays right now, top gainers. We do find SUI up there over 8% up, just hit $5 again. XRP looking pretty strong. Solana was looking really good before this recent market pullback. We'll take a look at that one as well. And these three picks are all three holdings of mine that I think could do extremely well still this cycle, especially SUI and XRP in terms of where they are, right? SUI's never seen a bull run. XRP hasn't seen one in a while. The last real bull run was back in 2017 because it got kind of held out of the 2021 bull run. So let's start over with the XRP chart, guys. And by the way, hit the like button, subscribe down below if you haven't already. Definitely helps us out. XRP making a nice move here today, back up to 231. Showed a lot of strength even during the downturn. The thing with XRP that I really like, you don't get a ton of volatility, right? At least you don't get a lot of volatility on red days. It seems to outpace the market right now, even on red days. We've been consolidating for a little while now, really since the beginning of December. We've been trending nicely here sideways, just kind of coiling up, in my opinion, getting ready for the next big run. We did hit up toward $2.50 about a week ago, 6 days ago. And, we came back down with the rest of the market, but still a lot of altcoins got drilled right here these last few days. XRP hung in there pretty nicely, still kind of, hovered around 220, 221, 222 at the lows, bouncing up pretty nicely. Things are looking on the up and up. XRP ETF rumors swirling. We've got a lot going on in terms of, policy, regulation, all of this good for XRP because this is the biggest case right now, the open case of Ripple versus SEC and all of crypto. It's going to be setting a huge precedent for where this market goes, especially with altcoins. So I do think XRP has room to run. Right now, we're looking at that $2.90 range. If you remember, we hit up there, and then we had that martial law come down in South Korea. That tanked the market for a few days. We have not been up to that $2.90 range since. But I do think once we break $3, the floodgates really do open up for XRP. Keep in mind, we did a 5x when Trump got reelected. Now, let's take a look at SUI because SUI has continued to just do some amazing stuff here. Absolutely insane, actually, what we've seen out of SUI in a short amount of time. Our last momentum up, look at this. Our last momentum up was this huge candle on August 8th. It's taken us from August 8th to now. That was when SUI was under $1 still at 84 cents. And before that day started, we were at 61 cents. That was a huge day for SUI back on August 8th. It went from 62, 63 cents all the way up to like 84 cents at close. That was our big momentum up signal. XT Algo flashed it. If you guys want XT Algo, of course, links are down below. This is my trading indicator. So next time a chart is breaking loose like this. Because in 155 days, SUI went up 500%. 500%. And there's going to be a lot of this happen. I think with RWAs, AI, gaming still hasn't moved. A lot of the Ethereum-based cryptos and tokens haven't moved. So you want to be equipped with all the tools and necessary things you need in place. XT Algo, a trading indicator that works, that's easy to use. There's links down below. We got a 30-day money-back guarantee. You try it risk-free for 30 days. SUI has crossed over $5, and I think now is poised for a rally, in my opinion, towards $6, right? Our local highs here of like 530, 535 just a few days ago came back pretty heavily here on the pullback. We had our unlock. Nothing really came of it on the first of the month. Keep in mind, SUI unlocks are every first of the month. They're slowly adding to that circulating supply. It creates a lot of volatility. Only about 30% of the total supply is circulating. So it's a lot of volatility. And in bull runs, that volatility is going to be good for the upside. Keep in mind, SUI will come down heavily, I think, in bear markets because, well, quite frankly, you know, all that supply is not out. So it works both ways, right? Once we get into, you know, a riskier market, SUI will come down. But right now we are riding high, and I'm looking for SUI to make some major noise still, you know, in this market. SUI right now ranked number 12, almost into the top 10, sitting at a $15 billion market cap. A lot of people saying SUI to 50, 60, 70 billion. I could see SUI, you know, 3Xing from here still, maybe even more. You know, getting to a $15 SUI price is not out of the realm of possibility, in my opinion, this bull cycle. Then we've got Solana, which, you know, Solana burst on the scene last cycle. A lot of people missed the boat, including myself, but we got a golden opportunity this bull cycle. You know, and if you had the balls to get into Solana when it was down there at $10, congratulations. You know, a buddy of mine in the space did, Mar, shout out to him. I waited until it came back up to about 40 or 50, you know, until it was kind of solidified. Then I made my play, and I've been stacking Solana through Solana meme coins. I still think Solana is the, you know, one of the top chains out there. It's not going anywhere. We recently, you know, saw Solana well over $100 billion market cap already. You know, just a few days ago, we were up here at like 220. We're right at 191. So I'm looking for a strong recovery here on Solana. The thing about Solana, it's very volatile as well. You get really nice bounces. Now it comes down hard, you know, when we get retracements like you guys can see right here, you know, from 222 all the way down to 182 quickly. But we usually get a quick retrace too when market, you know, starts heating back up. So we are looking at Solana there quite closely. A couple other plays that I like, altcoin picks. Altura is one. This is a small cap gem. Altura is one that I really like, sitting at $130 million market cap. This is in the area of AI and gaming. Altura is a sponsor of mine right now in the Breakfast Club, and been partnered up with them for a little while. I do like Altura. It is ticker symbol ALU. And this is one that has been listed by some of the big major influencers in the gaming space, like Alex Becker. Altura sitting at 130 mil. I really, really like this play right now. And then another one is Parallel AI. They are also a sponsor of mine. They've come down pretty significantly here in the last month, 12%, but still a really good looking chart on the alt chart. They're sitting on a nice support line right now, $62 million market cap. Parallel AI, another small cap, relatively small cap AI gem at $62 million market cap. That is PAI, Parallel AI, and Altura. Wanted to throw those two in there. Just two gems that I like right now. I mentioned I like that AI space. Altura is nice because it's AI and gaming. Definitely give it a look. They're building and scaling the next generation of games, an all-in-one platform for integrating Web3 and AI. Definitely give them a follow here on X and hop in. I'll leave some links down below to Altura and Parallel. Shout out to them for being sponsors here on the channel. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know your thoughts about this analysis. XRP, SUI, Solana. Could these three be some top altcoins to recover? And then some of these gems, Altura and Parallel AI, look pretty strong and poised for a nice run this bull cycle as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.